What's up, everyone? We're going to do a quick video here. Just predict earnings, and I don't mean actual numbers. I mean basically what you want to know. Is the stock going up or down after earnings? So this is my prediction. It's 319. They both report after the bell. And I just pulled this up, and I think the last time I checked, the Dow was up like 150 points. I'm like, what? 55 points? S&P, down 2.8. Look at the Russell. The Russell's down 0.34%. So what's up with that? Over here is the Qs. I'm looking at the to the left of me. That's the minute chart on the Qs and how it's just sinking. Powell speaking, Jerome Powell, he's not moving interest rates. So anyway, let's go ahead and pull up a chart, and let's pull up Tesla first. TSLA. And I have a really unique way of predicting, and it's not necessarily about the move that's going on. So I'm looking at Tesla. You look at this thing, you'd be like, there's no way you can continue going up, right? But if you look at Apple, it was the same thing, right? But a little slower pace. This is the biggest company damn near in the world, but it's going up. It went into earnings and then went up another 3%. So what I like doing is pulling up Tesla, right? Pulling up the stocks that's going to report and going up to the option chain. Let's look at the options, see what people's see where the money's going in the options. And I pull it down right here, and I look at the put call ratio real quick. So the put call ratio is 0.88. This means there's more calls being traded than puts. You can see it's 215,000 calls right here and 189,000 puts. So let's go to the current week, right? That's today, 2 days left on these. I would, my instinct, I want to put a trade on that betting that it's going to go higher, but I just can't find a safe trade because if you look right here, it says the predicted move is 61. Well, market maker move is 54 for the end of the week because these options have 2 days to go. The end of the week, it's going to move 61 points up or down. But just for the earnings, we'll say 54-point move. I just think it's going to be more than that, man. This stock is volatile. It's volatile. 54-point move is, what is about 9%? Something like that. Anyway, so I like looking at the volume. We already know more calls was traded than puts. So if you look real quick at the volume right here, let's look at the put side. And let me take me off, all right? Follow me now. Follow me. Let's look at the put side and look at the volume. Look at all the thousands, 2,000, 1,000, 1,000. Even though we know more calls was traded than puts, it's a lot. And I like looking at the out of the money, right? Out of the money, because that's where the stock is most likely going to move. A lot of volume there. Now, if you come over here to the calls, it's not that kind of volume. See, it's different. Right? 800. It's in the hundreds, not the thousands. You got your occasional thousands. But if you look in the money, and I don't want to really look in the money, but I just want to show you in the money, they got the thousands, all right? So now nothing is 100, okay? Nothing is 100. But this works most of the time, man. It's my little way I came up with. So I'm saying Tesla is going higher because it doesn't want to reward these people right here. It's always the move that has less options traded, right? So my call right here, and this is Dre Trades. Tesla is going higher after earnings. How much? Well, the market maker says it's going 55 points. I don't know about that, but I think that a lot of people want to get in. A lot of people are waiting for this thing to jump out. There's still the most heavily shorted stock. If it goes down, I think it is going to go back up because people want to get in. It blew past everything, right? It just came out of this little consolidation right here, right there, 347, and then now it's $600. So like that, and people was waiting for a pullback. No, there was no pullback. There was no pullback. You woke up every day, this thing was up 40 points. So I don't think it's going to give them another opportunity either. I think it's going up, and it's because of those options I showed you. So let's go ahead and pull up Microsoft. Same thing. Wow, Microsoft is kind of just looking at the 1 minute chart over here. All right, so Microsoft, nice steady eddy, moving on right along. New high. Is that today? New high today. Unbelievable, right? Yeah. Doesn't care about no virus. I guess people still going to be using their software. So let's go to the options. I don't have my chat window up. Oh, yeah, I do. Kings and roses, up or down. I'm saying Tesla's going up. I'm from Holland. They half of sold cars in Europe went to my country, and you love Tesla. You should buy quick before the close. I'm just afraid, man. I don't want to lose money because I could be wrong. Anything can happen in earnings. It's really almost a gamble, but I do want to place a trade, man. Oh gosh, I still may. I don't know. Anyway, let's go ahead and Microsoft. Okay, let's look at the options. Okay, so the put call ratio is down here to the corner, right? Let me just take this off here. Right down here, put call ratio is 0.50. It's 2-to-1 on the calls. 262,000 calls are traded versus 133 puts. People is bullish. That's what it's telling me. People's bullish. So let's open up. Let's go to the current window, the current option. Right here, the 31 January. Look straight up. The market makers are saying it's going to move $5.46. All right, but these options expire in 2 days, right? So 2 days is going to move $6. Okay, so $5.50 to $6. Let's look at the volume now. It's the same thing. This one actually looks a little tougher when I kind of glance at it. It's usually not like this. It's usually significant difference. So what I'm going to say is I'm looking at 5,000, 6,000. I'm looking at the puts, 5,000, 6,000, 9,000, 20,000, 11,000, 4, 1, 2. Then you got 20,000, 16,000, 13,000, 10,000. All right, so I'm going to say this one is going down as well, right? Yeah, I'm going to say this one is going to go down as well, but it's not going to move that much because it's close. That's my prediction. It's gonna go down, maybe not within this 546, maybe a buck or two, something small. And Microsoft is gonna be doing what Microsoft typically does, steady Eddie. Look at it. It just doesn't. It's just not volatile. We had a big drop here. 2 days later, right? It makes a new high. Coronavirus is out killing everybody on Monday. 2 days later, the stock is making a new high. Unbelievable. So. That's what's up. That's what's going on. Let me put on my glasses. You blowing it up. Oh, that's somebody else. Let me see what you're saying there. You said you sold the Tesla 735 called Naked, expiring this Friday. Took back 107 in premium. Smart or dumb? Man, I can't say it's smart or dumb. So you actually think the stock is going to go down. I think it's going to go up. See, if it goes down, you're a genius. If it goes up, you're not. So I don't know. I would never go naked. You never know what these guys are going to say. And, it's unlimited risk to the upside. I'm not saying Tesla's going to 1,000 a share tomorrow, but it's unlimited risk to the upside. You should at least buy a deep out of the money call, just to kind of give yourself a little bit protection. That's what I would do. Okay. Kind of make a spread out of that thing. I can't see. Oh, man. My prediction is 2025. Oh, I want to show you something else. I want to show you something else about Tesla. Don't go away, okay? Let me read these comments. My prediction is 2025. This is going to rate higher than Alphabet because Tesla is Octopus. He's got the other company. I do believe that. I do believe this thing is going to 1,000, 2,000. Yes, they totally lead in the electric. Nobody's close. Ford has this nice... that Mustang EV car coming out at the end of this year. That thing is sweet, though. Okay, that thing is sweet. And the other automakers, they pushing hard on the Tesla, on their electric cars. So it's going to be a lot more competition. But Tesla is definitely the leader, and they're the leader, right? So I do think the shorts has got to come out. For them to come out, they got to buy. They got to buy to close their positions, and I think it doubles at least. I want to show you something on the options though. So, Tristan Kremers, so you think Microsoft will go down? Yeah, my prediction is Microsoft going down, but small move. Who am I? Nobody. I'm just the dude that trades. I think it's going down small move. And if you was on when I showed you the, I think I'm still on Microsoft, and I'm just looking at the options. It just looks like there's more calls than the puts. I think it's not gonna favor these guys. It's gonna favor these guys, and it's just gonna move small because it looks close. So that's my prediction. That's how I came up with that. I know it sounds silly, but I've been doing this for years, and it works, man. I'm always afraid to put money on it because I don't know how far it's gonna move. But when it's close like that, when you're like, it doesn't move at all. It kills it. Just everybody's options just expire worthless because all the volatility comes out. So yeah, that's unless you sold them. You know, if you sold them, you're a genius. But a lot of people buy them. You know, they playing that move. I would sell them. I mean, you're looking at that, especially on Tesla. That volatility is insane. Oh, so it says it has to rise 25% before I'm hurt. Oh, you're talking about this? Oh, what the hell is that? Something's making noise back there. Yes. Oh, yeah, because you said the 735s. Let me look at that. Hold on. Yeah, that's right. Tesla's 588. Actually, now that I'm sorry, I take that back. I was looking at something similar, but spreading it. And I think you're about 10% delta, if I'm correct. Oh, you way out there. Oh, you got a 5% delta. And you sold it for how much? I can't scroll the com. Yeah, I don't think it's moving that much. It's saying it's only gonna move 56. But to just protect myself a little bit, you know, nah, I can't sell. I can't buy one of these. But you never know. You might want to buy one for a dime, just so they don't say something stupid and it doubles at 100, 1,000. This market's crazy. You know what I mean? But you know, buy one of these cheap options just to kind of cover that crazy thing. Tesla might, you know, Elon Musk comes out, he just says some crazy shit, you know, and you don't know what the hell that man's gonna say. But nah, I actually do think you're safe. You're playing the 5. It's 95% chance that you're gonna be right, you know. So no, it's a good trade. Naked. I mean, if it did blow past your strike, it's how far past is it gonna go? So yeah, I like it. I like it. I take that back. I forgot that Tesla was only at 588. I was thinking it was at 700 or 688. I don't know. You're good. Anyway. Love the glasses, babe. Thanks, babe. Thoughts on Facebook earnings. So let's look at Facebook. And this only works the day that they report earnings. So that's why I'm doing this video now. Facebook does oh shoot, that's today too. Damn, I needed to put that in the thumbnail. I forgot about Facebook. Yeah, that's today, right? All right, let's look at it. Same thing. I like to look at the calls. 316,000 to it's 2 to 1 basically. And you just come here. You know, I'm looking at the calls right now. 16,000. Looking at the volume. 16,000 on the calls. 28,000, 11, 11, 5, 10, 3, 3. I think this one's going down too. Because, man, everybody's over here. You know, it's not going to reward all of those people. You know, I think it's going down. And that's my prediction. Come back tomorrow. Tell me I'm full of shit tomorrow. But it's anybody's guess, you know. But I've been following this system as simple as that. I gotta check what's going on back there. I've been following this system for a long time, you know. And I was like, you know, because you know how when earnings comes out, the second it comes out, boom, you know. And I know it's out like algo's taking it up, down, you know. I mean, yeah. So you know, the market makers know the move is gonna move $10, you know. Let's see if I'm right. So I wanted to just kind of make it some fun. I have no trades on none of these. Okay. I like to get in after earnings and kind of see, and then kind of sell some volatility. Sell, you know, when y'all trying to buy, when you're trying to wait, I'm selling, so you're buying. Yeah. So you're buying your options back. I'm selling, you know, that's what I kind of like doing. Like I sold some. That was yesterday. Actually, I played Apple yesterday. I sold the 332s, 332 and a half to 337 for like $1.40, something like that. And I only made a couple bucks on it because this thing is crazy. Apple, it's crazy. Now, Apple, I didn't look at this yesterday. I did not look at this yesterday. But I played it as like, no, Apple's not making a new high, so I was way up here, but it's going up. It's 327. It expires on Friday. I wound up closing the position. I just made a little chump change on it because I might wake up and this thing's up $5, you know, so then I would have been kind of really upside down. So I took my nickels and ran. So anyway, I just wanted to make this video quick and kind of talk about that. Thanks for reminding me about Facebook and Sing. Thanks for reminding me. I was like, damn, I messed up. Could have put that in the thumbnail. Anyway, so oh, Juan's in the house. Juan Avalos, yeah, Chinese is in the house. Juan is a truck driver, and when he watches my videos, he's like doesn't know what's going on, so he thinks he calls it Chinese. All right, so thanks for watching. Good luck if you got any plays on. Good luck to shoot, I can't read your name. I gotta make these things even bigger. Let me see. Titanium Swedge. You said if you assigned to 735 and end up short, not too bad. Yeah, you're not. You're good. I feel like putting on that trade, but I need a lot of buying power to do such a thing, so I can't. You know, but yeah, I can't put it on. I don't have that kind of buying power. You know, so and then when I spread it, I feel like it's not worth it. You know, so I don't want to do such a trade. But yo, so good luck. By the way, what software is this? This is Thinkorswim. Yeah, this is Thinkorswim right here. Good luck. I'm having a pretty... Oh, see the Dow. Oh, yeah, let me talk about Tesla. Tesla, check this out. If you come out here, because you come way out. Let's look way out. Let's go 2 years. Let's go, 2 years out to the January 22nd. I was looking at maybe buying a car. These options are so overpriced. I mean, it's so expensive. Look, to buy a $1,000 call, I got to pay somebody $4,400. Well, actually, when they asked, basically $5,000 just for the right for me to buy some Tesla at $1,000 a share. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. These options are insane. 1160. You know what it tells me? It tells me it's going higher, just like you said in the comments. I forgot your name. It tells me it's just heading that way. I mean, the options are insane, and it was a shame because when the stock was $200, I had some some leaps. These are leaps. I can't remember the strike, but I had like 15 of them or something like that. Oh man, 15 or 20 of them. And when it started going back down to 200, I wound up selling. I think I lost 1,000, maybe a couple thousand on the position, and I should have just held them. It was years, man. It was years out. But these things are very volatile. They're not liquid, you know, generally. You know, let me see, like 98. You know, buying this at 98. Look at the spread on that. It's what is that? $500 spread. $600 spread. Yeah, so you get shitty fills down here, but these are good, but these are overpriced. But maybe not, because Tesla could be going to 2,000. That one person that runs the ARK funds, the ARK Technology Fund, is the largest holding. She thinks it's going to $5,000 a share. You know, so, and these options are priced as that. At the same time, now we want to talk bankruptcy. You like trading naked options? Titanium. Is that? I can't. Excuse me. I'm messing up your name. I won't even say it because I can't see it. Look, you could sell like the 85s for $1. Oh, look at the spread, $1 to $6. Yeah, they scared down here. Yeah, there's no. These are too wide. Here's one. Here's one of the hunt. Nah, that's too high. Forget it. But anyway, you can see you could sell, let's say these 40. You know, you can sell it for 50 cents. I hope you get more than 50 cents. That is not going to go to $40 a share. You know, that's not bad. You know, but so there's still some premium to the downside as well. So nobody knows where to stock. That's why shorted so heavy. Look, but it looks like there's more premium to the upside, right, versus the downside. You know, as far as selling, it's all over the place. Look, 0 here at the 80, 0, and then 0 on the bid, 680 on the ask. So you know, whatever. All right, so thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Good luck on your trades. I had nothing on, no positions. I was thinking about Tesla all week. all week. I think it's going higher. And yeah, I just think it's gonna move more than I think it's gonna move. This says $56. I think it's gonna be more than that. I think because it's just been crazy. So that's the part I don't trust. So it's making me not want to put a trade on. Anyway, so thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Check me out, like, subscribe. Dre Trades on Instagram, Twitter, and this is what I do almost every day. So hit the bell so you know when I'm on. Peace. It's 3:39. The Dow is up 74 points. Good luck. See ya. Peace.